All right, hello everybody. Today we're going to take a custom AI, which I build everything in something called Pickaxe. It's a platform that I'll put an affiliate link for you guys down below, but it just offers me a lot more flexibility. But we're going to take a custom Pickaxe and we're going to deploy it inside of a Circle community. So here's my deal. I have a Circle community that's it's just a private group of about 10 people. It's like a mastermind group for brainstorming within the Juice Plus business. And what I want to be able to do is have them have access to one of my pickaxes that's like a strategy type of a bot that's typically behind a paywall, but in this instance, the people that are my mastermind partners, we're going to all have access to that. And I'd love for you, if you're interested in building stuff of your own and you want to use Pickaxe, definitely use my affiliate link. You'll get 10% off. But I also have a Circle community here that I've just started called Builder Lab. I just wanted to be able to network and talk about building and launching and shipping SaaS products and custom AIs as a business. Well, let me show you what it is. It's basically, forward thinking. It's got a system prompt that makes it very much like a future looking strategist. And I have options about which AI I'm going to use in the background. I'm using Sonar Deep Research. And then I have also have the ability to set up a pretty extensive knowledge base of like research I've done as far as what should be happening in the future if we're looking forward in this particular business. All right, so let's go back and deploy this. And it's really simple the way they make it. If I go back here to the manage screen, and right at the top here, it says, do you want to create a deployment? So I can create these chatbots. I can put them into my own studios and then have subscribers to the studios. That's a good business model. Or another business model is you can build your custom chatbots, set them up however you want them, and then create a deployment that you could put into a website or an app, just have API access. And in this case, we're going to go into Circle, my Circle community. All right, so I'm going to create my deployment. It's going to be an embed. Cool, I can send these directly in email or WhatsApp, Slack, or API. Okay, I'm going to do a iframe inline. I'm going to make the maximum width 600 and the maximum height 800. And you see it's just showing me what it's going to look like over here on mobile and non-mobile. So how is it going to be used? I could make it where they still have to log in with their email, but then I allow guest usage. This is a private community. I know all their contact info. I know who's using it. I don't want them to go crazy and use it a million times. So let's put this at 30 times. Theme. I'm going to go with the Draper. Kind of a Claude look. All right. Opacity. I can make it see-through if I have a background on that website. Do I want the image? I like the image. Like a compass. The title is good, but the description was too long. So let's just put that like that. Rounded corners, block, drop shadow. No. Okay, so now I can save this embed. All right, so now it's saved. Now I can click on share. Then check this out. I can share the link for general websites, or they already have Circle built in. I'm going to copy the link and they give me the instructions. Use the / command. Okay, so it should be that easy. So I'm going to put it in a pinned post at the in the strategy discussions. See, that was the wrong way to do it. You don't just paste it in. I need to go + and then find the embed, which is right here. Or it's kind of like Notion, where you can just go / e embed. There we go. It asked me for the URL. I paste it in. And it looks like Circle is really good. It works with all these different things, including looms and whatnot, and I've done that before. So if I embed that, now you're going to see my chatbot just, boom, pop right up. And there it is. So I want these users to be able to see this. Hi, Emma. I can put it in here, and I'm going to put it right here. The world shifted, people evolved. You, feed me your old ways, watch what emerges, reborn. Everything familiar awaits to be transformed. Waits to transform. It's like poetry, huh? So now I'm going to pin this to the top. And that's it. So now when I'm in Circle as a user, and I think I can view as, let's say, a Business Lab cohort. All right. So in strategy discussions, even in their feed, it came up first, but in strategy discussions, this is pinned to the top. And now I can say, what's new in 2026? And now the people that are in my group will have access to this chatbot. All right, there's some really powerful ways we can use this. All right, so now I can just ask a question, what's new in 2026? And this bad boy is deployed right here. And it's giving me that deep research with links and everything. Looks like everything's working. And now my people in this will be able to do deep research. All right, hopefully that's helpful. Such a great use case for the Pickaxe platform. You can create, don't even think about just like the things you could create for yourself. What about just finding Circle communities and offering to create their custom chatbot for them? That's what I'm going to do. All right, so good luck. Hopefully this helps you. Keep creating.